fine, Paula. Billy doesn't mind, right, Billy?
It's a little loud, Tim.
Fine. I'll just move my fire station further away and build higher walls.
Wow! Look at this place! Oh, where are Paula and Billy?
Well, they don't like the fire truck siren, and Billy thinks a lion can't live next to bunnies, and Paula's buildings are weird, so we're playing on our own now.
Attention, everyone! All gather at the castle! I see you guys build many high walls in your sand city. Everyone is different, and we like to do different things. So sometimes people build walls between each other. But walls stop us from getting to know other people or learn from them. We may have our differences, but we should learn to accept them and learn to be kind and think of other people's feelings. This way, we don't need walls anymore.
Maurice is right. Let's remove those walls.
Woohoo!
Yeah! What are you building, Maurice?
I call this the Maurice Mansion.
More buildings!
We've built a sand city for everyone to live in, Paula. That's right, Billy.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us for more fun next time.